Hi, I'm Dimitrios Kostopoulos, and thank you for watching this. The number one issue that physical therapy private practices have right now are Medicare cuts, and either physical therapists will manage to minimize them, mitigate them, bypass them, or it can be a major threat for private practices to even cause their shutdown. Now, I may sound a little bit too dramatic, but wait until you hear what I have to say. So there is fact that 9% reduction in physical therapy rates taking place January 1st, 2021. We know that, it has been announced, it's a fact. Yes, the American Physical Therapy Association is doing everything possible with your help and your participation, our participation, to really push back the federal government to change that and not put it into play. However, we have to be ready for the potential 9% cut, as well as a 15% cut if the physical therapy services are provided by a physical therapy assistant. So now, those of you who are maybe thinking right now that those cuts are not going to affect your practice because you only do a small number of Medicare visits, think again, that is not true. I have put together a workshop where I am going to explain to you specifically why the Medicare cuts are going to affect most insurance companies across the board in your practice in a few months after the implementation of the Medicare cuts, but also I will show you ways on how to minimize, mitigate, and even bypass these Medicare cuts. Okay, so I have put together for you a workshop. In this workshop that is free for all of you, I will help you calculate the real cost of reduction, the real cost of these Medicare cuts to your practice. As a matter of fact, I'll provide you with a free online financial Medicare calculator where you're going to be able to run different scenarios and predict the specific effects of these Medicare cuts for your own practice. Now, there are 7 ways that you can utilize to bypass these Medicare cuts. You can utilize a few of them, you can utilize all of them, or one of them. You will be the judge of that. What I'm going to do in the workshop, I'll show you the path on how to properly evaluate each and every one of these methods. And as a matter of fact, the free online financial Medicare calculator will do all the math for you. And I will show you how specific systems can help you completely bypass the current and also future reimbursement reductions. Then I'm going to share with you a financial growth calculator where you can see the financial benefit using this system for your own practice. So I'm doing a few of these workshops until early next year because chances are this is going to go through. You can register right now by going to bypassptcuts.com, bypassptcuts.com. Listen, if you do not do something right now to save your practice, to really change what is ahead of us, then who is going to do it for you? It is fantastic for you to do marketing, for you to do new innovative approaches, for you to have a ton of patients, but volume is not going to necessarily save the day here. More patients with less reimbursement, it does not absolutely make sense, right? So we have to manage to either maintain or increase our reimbursement and increase our patients, and then we have the maximum potential. So register for my Medicare Cuts Workshop at bypassptcuts.com and I'll see you there. So let's do something together about it. Take care.